Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to briefly discuss if you can actually reset your account and your ELO or rating. So the short answer is no. If you see another video that says, oh, this is how you reset your account or your ELO or your rating, follow these, this and this. And especially if they show a link, I repeat, do not click on any links whatsoever. Do not go on any shady websites. There is just no way to reset your account or your ELO. But the closest thing you can do is maybe abandon or delete that account, or just create a new one without deleting or anything. It's up to you, and just use a fresh account to just slowly climb the ELO again. And that's it. That is the easiest way to do so. So if you want to delete your account, all you need to do is click on the settings cogwheel icon here, click on all settings. There you go. Click on account, right? And here you can just close account, right? So that is how you do it. But if you're not really too mindful of that, you can just open a new account with a new email and you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon will see you on the next video.